All right, what's up, boys? Hope you guys are doing well. Today is November 27th. Took a loss on NQ today. Just wanted to go over my trade recap, my bias, and all that kind of good stuff. So starting off during pre-market, I saw that on the 4-hour time frame, we saw that, or I'm sorry, it was a 1-hour time frame. We had this bearish fair value gap, and I wanted to see price to retrace back into this fair value gap, closing inside of it, and then give me good confirmation that we're going to continue to the downside. So as you can see right here, that's exactly what happened. We closed inside of it, and then the next candle opened inside of that fair value gap, which is a perfect confirmation we're going to continue to the downside. So let's go down to a lower time frame. All right, so obviously we had a huge sell-off this morning, and I saw that we had this fair value gap right here, but we also had PCE as well today, so I didn't want to um, I didn't want to. I wanted to wait till after news came out. So obviously we had PCE at 9 a.m. this morning, and I wanted to wait till news came out. So 9 a.m. was right here. This was the news candle. So I could have honestly cashed out on this whole move. So this is a 5-minute fair value gap. 5-minute fair value gap right here, and I wanted to see price retrace back into it, and I 100% would have taken this if it wasn't for news. I was eyeing it down, I forecasted it, but unfortunately there was news, so I wanted to stick to my plans and wait. So obviously bias was bearish, and the whole concept of market open was also bearish as well. So this was a good confirmation. I was going to take price all the way down to, so this was going to be my full entry right here, all the way down to this sell side liquidity, all the way back from yesterday. As you can see, all the way from here, which also gave me a good idea that we might want to reject to the upside as a like 10 a.m. or 10:30 reversal. So as we could see, this is already around 10:30. So what I saw is that we swept sell side liquidity. This is not major sell side. This is not major sell side. This is just internal. So obviously it does have some power, but not as much as major sell side. So I honestly could have just stuck out with this trade. But I ended up taking it. I went super low risk. I only lost $100. I took one contract on NQ. Excuse me. So I saw that we had a 5-minute fair value gap right here. I'm sorry, it was probably a 3-minute or a 2-minute. Yep, 2-minute fair value gap right here. All right, so took me 2-minute fair value gap, took the entry as soon as price came into it, chopped around a little bit, and then boom, stop loss rate, continue lower, and then now just basically chop. I wanted to take it to this internal sell side or buy side right here, potentially even taking it even longer. But since I only had one contract and I went super low risk, I didn't want to continue it. I just wanted to take this little scalp and be done for the day. Yeah, so unfortunately I did miss this 5-minute fair value gap move to the downside. Bias was correct, stuck to my plans. I did take a loss, but it's okay. One thing I did learn from this one YouTuber is the only kind of losses you're going to take is the losses that you don't stick to your plan. So even if you take a loss sticking to your plan, don't really consider that as a loss because you stuck to your plan, you did everything you needed to do, but unfortunately the trade just didn't work out in your favor. The only kind of trade that you do lose are the ones that you did not stick to your plans. So obviously that means if I rushed the trade, so if I did take this trade, it would have been a winning trade, but I didn't stick to my plan. Let's just say if I caught it a move without any kind of confirmation, that's also a trade that I should have. Let's just say if I took a win or took a loss, that's going to be a loss that really counts. So unfortunately, missed that trade. Tomorrow I'm not going to be trading because it is Thanksgiving, bank holiday, and then Friday. No news on Friday. I'm definitely not going to be trading. It's the day after Thanksgiving. I doubt there's going to be any kind of large volatility within the market. So yeah, that's it for today. If you want to join the Discord, that is completely free up here. I will have the link in the description for it if you guys want to join that, completely free. I'm doing a mentorship call with everyone in the group at about 4 or 5 p.m. today. So that's going to be up there. I call out trades, one-on-one mentorship, educational stuff, live trades, all that kind of bullshit. So yeah, that's it for today. I will see you guys soon. Probably going to be next week, Monday. Potentially, I'm probably going to make a psychology video throughout the weekend. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys. Peace.